That thing ate a lot in that one.
Yeah, it did.
Just come up for it. If all these bites is supposed to as a bait.
Oh my gosh! You literally threw that one in its mouth.
No, it came up and it grabbed it. Get the net. I think it was when we need the net. That's a big one.
Horse him. Don't horse him. Just play him out a little bit. Let me try to catch this fish. It's biting.
Oh, it's he had a bite.
Oh, you like that one? You can get it in.
It's a new bass, though. You gotta wheel that one in.
Which one?
No,